Hello students, this is the second poem of our text, The First Flight, Fire and Ice. This is also written by Robert Frost. Let's talk about the summary of the poem. This is the poem by Robert Frost, Fire and Ice. It expresses the profound idea, the entire idea that the world would end in either of two ways, either by ice or by fire. Both the components, means ice and fire, are compared with self-destructing human emotions. And which are the human emotions? Hatred and desire. This poem underpins the philosophy, means mainly it shows the philosophy, or based on the philosophy, that we let our emotions rule us, and if don't control them, they will surely destroy everything around us. Okay, so let's begin the text. Fire and ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In the first stanza, the poet says that the people, some of the people, means many of the people say, they say that the world will end, one day it will end, and surely it will end. But according to them, the world will end in fire, or due to fire, or जो इंटरनल पार्ट जो है अर्थ का, वो इतना हीट हो जाएगा that the entire world, the entire earth will end. But the other people, some of the people say that it will end due to the ice, due to the cold. So the poet says, from what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. And the poet also feels, the poet further says that as far as I have experienced, I have tested, जितना मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, वो पोइट कहता है कि जहां तक मैं सोचता हूं या जहां तक मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो रहा है, सो आई गो फॉर डिजायर, मीन्स डिजायर के अकॉर्डिंग या डिजायर की वजह से, यहाँ पे जो है फायर को डिजायर से कंपेयर किया गया है कि डिजायर जो है उसकी वजह से द वर्ल्ड विल एंड with the human desire. And he says that I hold with those who favor fire, means I support those people who favor fire. So the poet says that according to my experience, जो डिजायर है इसका कोई एंड नहीं है, ये एक फायर की तरह है. तो वर्ड जो एंड होगा वो पूरा का पूरा डिजायर, ग्रीड, लस्ट, इससे रिलेटेड जो जो थिंग्स हैं उनकी वजह से ये पूरा वर्ल्ड जो है वो एक तरह से फायर में या फायर की वजह से डिस्ट्रॉय होगा, पूरा का पूरा एंड होगा. फर्दर इन सेकंड स्टेंजा द पोएट सेज, बट इफ इट हैड टू perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Perish means destroy. So the poet says that, but if it had to perish twice, it is used for the world or the earth. Poet says that if it is given the second chance to be perished, to be destroyed, then he says, I think I know enough of hate. So here देखिए प्रीवियस स्टेंजा में जो डिजायर है उसको कंपेयर किया गया है फायर से, एंड द सेकंड स्टेंजा आइस इज कंपेयर्ड और हेट इज कंपेयर्ड विद आइस. आइस को हेट से कंपेयर किया गया है और फायर को डिजायर से कंपेयर किया गया है. सो ही सेज I think I know enough of hate. Means he says that I know about hate or hatred to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. And suffice means sufficient. So he says that for the destruction of the earth, the ice means the hatred, the hate of people is also equal danger or would be sufficient for the destruction of the entire earth or entire world. Hatred here means any kind of hatred. It can be religious hatred, caste, creed, color, any kind of hatred can be here used here. So through this poem, the poet wants to express that there can be the two reasons of destroying of the world. One is desire, and second one is to hate of people's hate for anything. Hate can be for religion, caste, creed, for anything. So these two can be the reason of destruction of the entire world. Now we talk about the rhyme scheme. So here in the first line, at the end of the first line, we'll give it fire A, then desire, इसको भी A देंगे, fire A, okay, so fire, desire and fire, इन तीनों को A देंगे. Then some say in ice, ये different है, we'll give it B. Then twice, ये इसको rhyme कर रहा है, okay, so B, then ice, then suffice, B है. Then टू लाइन्स हेट एंड ग्रेट, इसको हम सी देंगे और इसको भी सी देंगे. तो ए बी सी एंड बी. दिस विल बी द राइम स्कीम ऑफ द पोएम फायर एंड आइस.